Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Now enter menu, settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen, and also enable this function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow showers with a high of 33 and a low of 22.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.